Welcome back, guys, to another video. This is going to be a weekly breakdown video of the markets. I'll probably do Nas Gold and US30 today, but I'm very sorry, guys, if there's a ringing noise coming from the mic. I'm still trying to figure it out. I think I might just have to eventually get a new mic to actually fix that problem completely. But without further ado, let's carry on to this. So, first of all, we're going to take a look at the news because yeah, there's a lot of news this week, and obviously, as you guys know, it's the first Friday of the month, so there's NFP this Friday as well. So there's quite a bit of news this week. Obviously, on Tuesday there's a bank holiday because it's the 4th of July. So the whole of the United States will be celebrating, and we'll just be waiting for the markets to open back on Wednesday. So yeah, I mean, this week there's quite a bit of news. The whole day on Wednesday there's an OPEC meeting. Well, meetings. So there's a couple of meetings being held on Wednesday. So I think Wednesday is going to be a pretty crazy day, and Thursday leading up to Friday. So, I mean, I expected not a lot of movement this week because of NFP on Friday, but there's so much news that I don't think it's going to be the case. I think it's going to be quite a crazy week. But yeah, we'll see how it goes and just see what turns out. So let's get to the market. I think we're going to start with US30 that we all know and love. So right now, last week we obviously came back up to these highs, and now we're testing this area once again, bro. We've been at this area for so long, and yeah, I think it's going to be short from here. It might still carry on to the upside a little bit, but overall, I think we're definitely going to be short over here because of this area you guys can see jotted out over here. Yeah, it's looking pretty interesting. So I think definitely down for today at least, and we'll see how the rest of the week goes. But I'm expecting this to, um, you know, fill out that upward move and go to the downside, probably to this order block over here. So yeah, we'll see what happens with US30. It looks very, very simple right now, but I mean, as I said, it could just come down here. This might be the move for NFP or whatever, and then next week we can start looking for buys back up again and maybe finally breaking this level. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, just gonna keep an eye out on US30 because this one's looking pretty interesting. We can actually full screen this now. Okay. So yeah, US30 looking pretty interesting. Um, yeah, I think we're gonna go down for this week for sure. I think Nas pretty much the same thing. It's also just doing a double top over there. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what happens with this, and then probably also just down as well. Gonna follow US30 all the way down to that. Maybe to this order block. I don't know if it's gonna go that far. Maybe just to down to here or down to here, or maybe just filling out this low over here. We'll see how that goes, especially. I don't trade a lot of NAS, but I'll just keep my eye on it this week, see how it goes. I don't know why the screen's freaking out like that, but yeah, I'll just keep my eye out on NASDAQ, see how it goes because it's looking pretty interesting. Um, I have to say it is closely correlated to US30, so I do look at it as another confluence now and then, not all the time, because sometimes they can run a bit different. They're not that similar all the time, but most of the time, when one thing does the one, the other tends to follow, uh, something like that. So, US30, NASDAQ, I'm pretty much seeing the same thing. US30 has been in a lot more consolidation recently compared to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has just been booming to the upside. Yeah, just filling out these highs and stuff like that. So I also expected to come down from there because, as you can see, US30 also filling out these highs over here. So they're pretty much doing the same thing at this point in time. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye on that, see how it goes. I don't really look at this as well, but from what I can tell, it's probably going to follow the setups that we are seeing right now in the market. So we'll see how that goes. That also looks like it's going to come down. But on to gold for the final one. Gold looks like it's still chilling, bro. It still looks like the setup that I've been seeing since last week. So gold still doing the same thing. I still think it's going to go down over the long run. I think now it's definitely just retested a little bit. So I think it's got some space to go. It's definitely retested that. So I mean, we'll see how it goes this week. Still in um, a bearish bias for this as well. But as we said, US30, Nasdaq also looking bearish, and yeah, sometimes this is like inversely correlated. So when this goes up, Nasdaq and US30 go down, vice versa. So it's going to be pretty interesting. I think we're still fine for now. We'll just have to see how it goes. I'm going to keep my eye out on this. Sorry, guys, and then probably probably update you guys within the week sometime about what I think on gold. But for now, I still see the same thing as last week. It's still carrying on with that move. So yeah, our three major pairs. I think that's basically it for today. Yeah, if you guys would like to see a little bit more in depth, then definitely try and get into the VIP groups and stuff like that, because I go a little bit more in depth and send out signals based on what I see now already. Um, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I know it's a little bit of a short one. We got three pairs in, but it's looking like a pretty interesting week, especially with the news and stuff like that. We'll see how it goes. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe. That would really, really help me out. And hope to see you guys soon. Peace.